Harborn Energy, king of coatings. Harborn manufactures two groundbreaking new coatings for both residential and commercial applications. Barrier Pro is a paint-based coating intended for most all non-metal building surfaces where a radiant barrier, emissivity, SRI, weatherization, corrosion, or fire protection is needed. Total Pro is intended for metal surfaces and provides the same protections mentioned above. With recommended R values, on average 50% of a total home's energy use is still directly attributed to heating and cooling loads. Slabs account for 20%, ductwork 13%, and roofs 13% of total heating and cooling loads. The industry's primary use of R value to base insulation energy recommendations on is why 35 to 50% of energy costs are still directly attributed to heating and cooling. There are numerous issues with R value itself, including being dependent on temperatures, making it very manipulable. Of the three primary measures of energy loss, R value, or conduction, is a tertiary or third line of defense for energy savings. Heat energy can be first, either reflected or absorbed, second can be emitted or transferred, and last can then be conducted at a measurable rate. This rate of conduction is R value. The three secondary variables deal with convection and moisture and can easily be mitigated through proper weatherization protection. Solar reflectivity is the average percentage of solar energy reflected across the full spectrum. This is measured in ASTM E1918. Solar reflectivity recommendations vary by organization and pitch of roof. 25 to 29% plus for steep pitches and 65 to 78% plus for flat low sloped roofs. Average reflective products range from 25 to 80%, and Harborn coatings range from 89.1 to 99.8%. Emissivity is measured in ASTM E408. Average products range from 20 to 60%, and Harborn coatings are rated at 77 to 91%. The Solar Reflectivity Index utilizes both the reflectivity percentage measured in ASTM E1918 and the admittance measured in ASTM E408. Recommendations range from 29 to 78, and Harborn coatings products provide 88 to 100 plus. Harborn coatings far surpass any organizational, local, national, or international code under IECC code requirements for reflectivity, emissivity, and SRI values. International and local code varies. However, Harborn meets and exceeds energy savings IECC code with our ASTM E1918 and ASTM E408 certified testing, and meet and exceed most ICC or IBCC fire code requirements with our certified ASTM E136 testing. Harborn coatings have numerous other certified ASTM testing for weatherization, corrosion, fire, and insulation protection as well. Harborn coatings are environmentally friendly with low VOC counts. The coatings are easily applied with traditional paint applicators with minimal health or safety precautions. The DOE, CEC, DoD, Geoscience, Southwestern Laboratories, and other companies have all further functionally certified our ASTM data. Barrier Pro is intended as an exterior protective coating, however, can also function inside between air gaps, in attics, ventilation ducts, plumbing, furnaces, slabs, and more. Surfaces including roofs, stucco, wrapping, wood, asphalt, brick, concrete, metal, and numerous others. Total Pro is intended for most all other metal surfaces and can be self-priming. Barrier Pro covers 200 to 400 square foot per gallon at a cost of 25 cents per square foot per coat. Total Pro covers 200 to 400 square foot at a rate of 50 cents per square foot. 1 to 2 coats is recommended for both coatings depending on the substrate. Barrier Pro and Total Pro can resist 3,000 plus degree temperatures and fires. Under ASTM E136, our coatings are rated as non-combustible, allowing us to automatically meet most ICC and IBC fire code requirements. In this video, a 3-minute burn test with a 3,000 degree MAP gas torch is done on a small block of coated and uncoated cedar building wood. You will see the uncoated sample immediately catches fire and ultimately burns completely through. The treated sample reacts to the heat and protects the wood underneath. In this video, a 1-minute burn test with a 3000-degree MAP gas torch on a utility pole. A temperature reading of 106 versus 77 illustrates the coating's ability to both radiate and emit thermal heat. You will see the uncoated side immediately catches fire and continues to burn throughout the video. The treated side turns a slightly yellowish brown as it reacts to the heat and seals out the fire.